Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Si here from Si Moto Photo. We've got a wee exciting day ahead of us today. We're bringing in some new bikes from Triumph. They're just dropping off. I reckon roughly about 20 bikes. So I thought I'd take you guys and let you see what it's like for us guys unboxing all the bikes and getting them into the workshop and getting them ready for customers coming to take them away. So what we'll do is we'll get around the back. We're expecting 2 transporters coming, or 2 lorries coming with a load of bikes. You'll see us unboxing exactly what happens when we bring these bikes out the crates. So I hope you enjoy it. Listen, if you do enjoy it, give the video a like and drop us a subscribe for more Triumph content. There's plenty more to come, so Mum will get these bikes unboxed. Oh, and by the way, apologies for the bad quality, both on video quality and on sound. I'll be using a GoPro strapped to my head doing this, and I don't have an external mic for it as yet, so bear with me with the wind noise and shady sound quality. Anyway, let's go and do it. Unboxings.
Right, I'll ping this one off. There you go.
Right, better just unhook this bad boy. Who's got snaps?
There you go.
Thanks David, cheers. Funny, last time doing this I put one of the snips right through my hand. Aye. Sorted. Love that colour, man. You're fine, you're okay. What's that we've got, Willie? A Tiger.
800 rally.
Unboxing. Lots of lovely new Triumphs arriving. Got it. No, wait a minute, it's not unstrapped yet. It's not unstrapped yet. What is that? Is that a Rally Pro?
No, it's a rally.
Rally?
No, it is a rally.
Rally Pro, it's got a centre stand on it.
It's got a quick shifter.
And a quick shifter. Got it guys? Hold on, 2 minutes, it's just coming off a light. Okay, 1, 2, 3, back you come. Magic. Eh?
Lie down after taking these off.
This is a smooth operation, man. Let's go, man. A Tiger 900 Rally. That won't move, will you're fine.
Back ones are alright.
Aye, the back one's fine, it's the fronts. The fronts, you don't want to go messing about with you can. This is how you unload bikes, man. The boxes come in with the bikes with all the bits and pieces on them. Jamie's got all the boxes with all the bits and pieces on them. Windscreens and handbooks and handpacks and all the bits and pieces.
I don't remember Paddy read me home. Good night, you had a way up.
Straight the bar. You free hard? Nice bike. Nice bike. Right, what's this, man? Scramble 1200.
That's what we had on the back of the trike.
A red Scrambler 1200, very nice. A lovely brown seat. Gorgeous. Need any of these taken off?
You got it, Joe. Yeah, you got it, yeah.
Just snap staves you need to hang here. Let's see that tank on. Let's see that tank. Very nice. Gorgeous Scrambler 1200. What's this we've got? Speed Twin. Speed Twin, Speed Twin. Another Speed Twin. We love this Speed Twin. Love that. That's its best colour, isn't it? Isn't it? It's cracking in that colour. It is the best colour. Got it. Rocket VRs. No, most of these are stock. Most of these are just come in for stock. They're sent as these as extra bikes, which is great. They're sent as these as extra stock. Clippity, clippity, clop, clop, clippity, clippity. silver Trident, very nice. Silver Trident. You got it? Did she start doing a cashback on them? What's that? Another Trident? Right, I like this colour. This is a nice bike. Let's cut this away.
Which is great. I'll put that with you.
That's a nice bike, I like that. I really like that. Oh, what's that? Speed Twin. Oh, another Baja. Here's your Baja bike. Eh?
That's what all it shows Speedmaster.
Is it?
This accessories turned up today.
We're jamming here now. I love that colour, man.
So they are. Even better in the sun, isn't it?
I know, it's beautiful.
Good morning. What's the green one?
A mini greenie.
Mini greeny.
With a brown seat. See this one? Gorgeous. That's a nice bike, isn't it? Shed. What's the last one?
Speedmaster.
Speedmaster. Do you love a Speedmaster? Everyone we get in just disappears straight away.
I remember most of them are crashes that disappear really quick.
I know. I know. I know. Wait to see this tank, man. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning, isn't it? What a nice looking bike.
Just in case.
Hey, I've got a pair of snaps in my hand. I don't want to scratch it. There we go. 21 bikes delivered. 21 bikes delivered. There you go, so I hope you enjoyed that, the unboxing of the bikes. I've got another one coming with some special bikes on it in the next week or two. Some of these Moto 2 bikes. So we'll do an unboxing of the Moto 2s shortly and let you see what these bikes look like. But listen, thanks a lot for tuning into the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop us a like, drop us a comment, let us know what your favourite bike was in the unboxing, and drop a subscribe if you want to see more content. But thanks again for tuning in to Moto Photo, and I'll see you in the next video.